Have you ever spent hours carefully stacking a beautiful tower of building blocks, only to have it accidentally crash down across the floor? It is incredibly frustrating to see all your hard work suddenly reduced to a messy pile. That feeling of watching everything fall apart is exactly what happened to God's people anciently. Their home, Jerusalem, was destroyed, and their holy temple was burned to the ground. The people were taken away as captives. They were forced to live far away in a gray, unfamiliar place called Babylon for 70 long years. Even though they were far from home, God hadn't forgotten them. He had already promised that when the time was right, He would provide a way for them to return and begin the work of rebuilding. After many decades had passed, God inspired a Persian king named Cyrus to let the people go home. Look at this ancient clay cylinder. The wedge-shaped writing carved into the clay is a royal decree, giving the Jewish people permission to return to their land. The people were excited to go back, but they arrived to find a difficult sight. Look at this photograph of these ancient stone ruins. Their city was a wasteland of rubble, and the task of fixing it was enormous. Rebuilding a whole city from nothing required specialized leaders. They needed master builders who could organize the families and guide the project one section at a time. Every stone they moved was part of a great work, a massive effort to heal their community and help the people live by their promises to God again. The first master builder was a leader named Zerubbabel. His specific job was to rebuild the most important part of the city, the temple. When the workers finally cleared the debris and laid the first foundation stones of the new temple, the people were overwhelmed. They cheered so loudly that the sound could be heard from far away, while many wept tears of pure happiness. By making the temple the very first thing they rebuilt, Zerubbabel helped the people find their joy and spiritual strength again. You can't build a sturdy, safe city without a set of instructions to follow. You need a blueprint. The second master builder, Ezra, brought the ultimate instruction manual, the Scriptures. This parchment scroll shows the ancient laws he shared. As he read aloud, the people stood in respect, looking at these lines and realizing they had forgotten God's rules. These scriptures provided the people with the exact step-by-step blueprints they needed to know how to live a happy life. As the city grew, some people nearby tried to stop the work. To keep the families safe while they built, Jerusalem needed a strong barrier to protect them. That brings us to our third master builder, Nehemiah. This photograph shows a towering, solid stone city wall. Nehemiah led the people in stacking giant blocks like these to create a massive, protective wall. When his enemies tried to trick him into stopping his work, Nehemiah refused to leave. He told them, "I am doing a great work and cannot come down." Because Nehemiah stayed focused, God strengthened his hands to finish the hard task. The finished wall provided the people with a place of safety and peace. The same God who called those master builders long ago has a great work for you to do right now. You are a master builder for your own life. Instead of using stone and mortar, you are building your own spirit and character. Ezra's blueprints are available to you today. When you read your scriptures, you are learning the instructions for building a life that is strong and happy. You can follow Zerubbabel's example by making the temple a priority. When you look forward to visiting the house of the Lord, you are putting joy at the center of your world. And like Nehemiah, you can build your own walls of protection. Every time you make a good choice, you are stacking a block that keeps your spirit safe from things that might hurt you. When things get difficult or people try to discourage you, you can stand tall. You can remember Nehemiah's words and know that you are doing a great work that is worth finishing. With the scriptures to guide you, the temple to give you strength, you have everything you need to build a beautiful life that will last forever.